What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a project that I have been watching for a very long time. I'm blessed that I get to bring it to you today, but before I do, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so I can find really cool projects like this and get into you as quick as possible. So let's get straight in. So here it is, guys. It's PrimeXBT.com. Now you can see straight away that the website is laid out very easy. All right, up at the top, we've got product, markets, trading tools, about, and refer to. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the trading on here as well. All right, over on the right, you've got the login and register. Now the links are going to be down below this video, everything I talk about today. Now, what I want to first do is just give a little scroll down about what's going on. I'm going to be mainly focusing on the copy trading side of this because that's the most popular one. And in my eyes, it's probably the easiest one to get involved with. All right. But if you want to just buy crypto, you can get in and just buy the crypto you want with your simple US dollars on a card. All right. You can start margin trading with low fees. All right. It's got the best copy traders and get some really cool returns, just like I said before. And you can earn interest on your crypto, a bit like staking. All right. APY rates are about 14% on here. It's one platform. The beauty of this is it's just one platform with all the different opportunities on there. So you can buy, hold, trade, earn with one of the fastest and most reliable platforms out there. That's what I'm talking about. I'm sick of going app to app, trying to do my spot trading, trying to do my margin trading. Okay, I want it all in one app where I can just get it done. There's over 1 billion in daily volume here, 170,000 plus daily trades. It's in over 152 countries, okay? And no clients' funds have ever been stolen, ever. You could download it on the App Store and you can download it on Google Play. And if you want to open a free account, you can. If you want to fully discover the platform, that's probably why you're watching this video. So what I want to do is take you up to the trading tools and have a look at copy trading. So looking at the copy trading module. So first, what you're going to do is choose a trader, all right? So there's going to be hundreds of trading strategies on here. You choose the one that is suitable for you. Then you set the amount that you are willing to allocate in that strategy. Now, I don't ever recommend going out and getting a loan or taking money that does not feel comfortable to you. Okay, if you have money that you can invest and you feel comfortable about it, please get involved with something that you do your research on. All right, click follow, start following to get the same returns. So easy enough. You literally pick someone, they trade it, it copies to your trader, and guess what? If they make money, you make money. If they lose money, you'll also lose money. Like I'm telling you, do your own research. The copy trading module, all right, it allows platform users to browse through hundreds of strategic provided by other traders. The copy trading module allows platform users to browse through hundreds of trading strategies provided by other traders and automatically copies their trading activity. All right, with this module, you can actually achieve the same returns as leading traders on the platform. They've done the hard work, you're just copying. Real simple. As you can see here, these little pictures. All you gotta do is click follow. All right, I like BTC bot. It's got 5 stars. It's done 331% profit. I'm gonna give that one a follow, and it will copy it for you. Super easy to get involved in, and you can actually track exactly what trades are going on at the time. Guys, what I'm gonna do now is actually log in and show you how you follow them and how you can actually see the strategies. It's so easy me talking about it, but I want to actually get in and show you. So I'm gonna blur the information or fast forward so you can't see my login details. Let's get there now. Right, guys, now what I'm gonna do is actually log in and show you the copy trader. All right, I'm gonna blur the details so you can't see them, and we'll fast forward. So guys, as soon as you log in, it's gonna ask you if you want to make a deposit. All right, you can do that at any time if you just get rid of it as well. Okay, and this is what it's gonna look like. Now I'm gonna concentrate on the copy trading side to this. All right, so once you click copy trading, it's gonna actually ask you. All right, so the Convesting Copy Trading module is an innovative feature that lets you automatically copy trades. You can skip through all these bullet points and it will show you exactly how it works. I'm gonna get in and show you right now. Okay, get started, and I'm gonna be using this demo account to do it. So as you can see all the way down, these are all the copy traders. Now let's just have a look. What I like to look for is obviously the totals, how much they're making. This one's made quite a lot. What they're doing in the days. So we've got some losses, we've got some joints, we've got some making money. Active days. What I actually really like is the followers. This one's got 688 followers. It's bit energy. That would give me an inkling that this is a good one to follow. So all I would do is click the follow button, accept the disclaimer, right? Don't show again. You can actually upgrade as well, so you pay less fees, or just continue. Okay, I'm using this to show you an example. So go. Then you would just press follow, and then you are actually following. Okay, that's how you follow the right ones, or the ones you want to do. And you can just scroll through. Now, one of the cool things that you can do on here, all right, is actually look down and change all the different ones that you're looking for, whether it's the follows, whether it's today, highest, go for all the different features as well. Now, if you want to take a deeper look into exactly what's going on here, right, just click on the actual trader. All right, so now it's going to show you a bit of the graph of what's going on. So you can see the profit start to rise. All right, 3 a.m. this morning. At 1 a.m. it started to dip a little bit, but we're getting up to about 70%. Okay, you can go through the manager equity, the followers equity, and obviously it also shows you everything they're trading. Okay, so this one has got the manager equity is about 353 USD here. Okay, moving down, it shows you what's going on for the last 7 days, 30 days, so on, all the way. Okay, what they've actually got in now. So Ethereum USD, they've got a sell-in open there, and it's 319% return on investment on the margin. Now you can do this on any of the copy traders. All you got to do is just click on them and take a look at what's going on. Guys, here I want to show you what rating means. Now, when you actually on the platform, you click on copy trading, right, you'll see the rating. Now it reflects the current ratings and core statistics of all public strategies. Here is where you can actually review and strategically follow the right and desired stats that are true for you. All right, the profit indicators, followers, equity, name, everything like that. All you got to do is click follow, start a following strategy. Now, various indicators such as profit, percent, name, currency, etc. Or if you're unable to find a particular strategy, use the filter settings at the top of the rated page. Let me just click this so you can actually zoom in and see it. It says copy trader. The rating is right there. Okay, same with this, and you can actually get the name, the currency, the total to date, like we just said them. All right, if you do not see the strategies and the rating list, please click the filter reset button in the top right corner. All right, same again if you're going through the portfolio, you'll see it there, and so on. Please do your research. The link for this is down below so you can actually see everything I'm talking about. Now, probably one of the most popular parts of this is the refer section. So what do they offer? Special offers for your subscribers. You get a free funded account, discounts on all commissions, and welcome bonuses. Paying for every single lead. So live and transparent statistics, higher payouts per each funded client, and you get paid twice a month. You get up to 50% profit share. All right, become our revenue sharing partner, and you can actually earn a part of the commissions the clients pay for on the trading site. Now, all you gotta do is click that button and you'll get the offer. If you're what they're looking for, they have flexible conditions to all the partners, and you can actually reach out to them to make a perfect offer for you. Put your name in, your email, link to your resource, your message, and click join us and see what they say. Try and earn from this, right? If you're gonna use it anyway, there isn't anything I use online that I don't try and get the refer and earn program from. So try and get in there, put your details in, and see what they can offer. Looking at their Twitter, then they've got 151,000 followers. It's at PrimeXBT. Give them a massive follow, let them know you're from this channel. And as you scroll down, you'll start to see a few of these posts, right? They're getting really good engagement, but they're showing you what's coming next on the platform. So here they're talking about their new chart feature, which simplifies the copy trading decisions, just like I was showing you before. It makes it super, super easy. Here they're talking about a long and short avalanche, all right? That's one of the biggest cryptos around right now. It's getting loads of views, loads on there. And they will keep going through different posts about prices. So give them a massive follow, let them know you're from this channel, and let's support them. There you go, guys. If you're going to get involved, please let me know in the comments. I like to see if people are actually going with what we said in this video. I am blessed that I get to give you videos like this, so please keep supporting us. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.